everybody, thanks and welcome to the bush here. Now you see when you come to the bush here, nee, you must still smell nice, okay? You mustn't be thinking when you come here about a bush you can still frot. Like you haven't taken a bath for 3 days there, okay? Because it just doesn't work, okay? You must smell nice, okay? You are by the bush, so be by the bush, okay? So what you got to do is, can you see this takkie hier, nee? This is called a geen vrot bek lekker ryk mondjie blaartjie thing, dis, nee? So what you do is, when you don't brush your teeth, because you don't want to have your teeth smell like a dragon's breath there, okay? Because it will make people go, when you walk past them. And it takes the aminals away, and you want to see aminals. So you take this blaartjie hier, nee? And you leave it by your mond like this. Okay, can you see that? Don't leave it too long. And always make sure you take the right leaf, because if it's on the wrong leaf, then your bum will be like a racing motorcycle. Anyways, and always make sure that your armpits smell nice, eh? If you are a woman's or a man's, okay. You must take one of these out. Let me just find one here for you. Just come with me. Come, can you see that? Come with me, I'll tell you now. Okay. Here it is. Yeah, can you see this? Okay. Now this one, can you see this blaartjie hier, nee? Dis are called the Eucalyptus grandoleus onderarm stinkinius. Okay, so when you take one of these leaves, okay, that one is a little bit fraught. Make sure you take a fresh one, because if you put a fraught one under my arm, just now you grow like a bos mossel or something here under the arm here, okay? But then you take that and you rub it here by the arm here, nee? And then leave it for a couple of minutes and you got to stand like this. Can you see? Like this, so that the wind can come and breathe through your armpit here, nee? And then you smell nice. Okay, thanks.